How to access to your old stories online application. Hello guys, my name is Shahid and today I'm going to tell you how you can access to your line stories which are old, which are already expired. So as we know that after 24 hours, every story on most of the application expires, but I will tell you that there is a way you can access to those old stories online application. So first of all, click on your line application, and once you open your line application, at the bottom, as you can see, there are option home, chat, timeline. So we will click on the timeline, and once you click on the timeline, here you can see your profile at the top right corner. So once you click on your profile, and here you will see that there are many options, like 3 options actually: see your photos and videos, manage timelines, update. So once you click on see your photos and videos, so here you can actually see the photos and videos that you have posted to your timeline. You will see, but the main thing is that we are talking about how you can access to your past stories. Is like all the stories actually expires after 24 hours, but here still we can find it. So here at the top you can see past stories. So you will click on past stories, and here you can see you will find out all the stories that you have posted online application, and you can actually see the date on it as well, that when you have posted it, as you can see at the left corner of each story that you have posted. So here you can find, it's like the latest will be down here, and if you scroll up you will find the oldest one that you have posted. So if I click on any one of the story that I posted here, as you can see this one, and then I will click on the 3 dot at the top right corner, as you can see, save to the device. You can actually save this photo to the device as well, and you can delete this story as well, which is already expired. And here at the bottom, as you can see, you can actually see that how many people have viewed it. So it's like 1 viewer as well for this story as well. So this is how you can access to your stories on Instagrams which are already expired. So this is the way you can do, and you can even delete it, or you can save it to your phone as well. So if you posted something and you're missing it and you think that if I have that picture again, so if you come to your stories and you find that picture, you can just click on the 3 dot arrows and you can save it to the device. It's very easy. So this is how you can access to your past stories online application. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more informative video. I will catch you later. Thank you for watching.
Breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, will always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feel?